Okay, as you can see, I've already opened up the project, and I have drums, guitar, horn section, vocals. First thing you want to make sure you do is go up to your View menu and go Mix Window Views, and make sure you have all selected. That way you'll see your inserts and your sends for this. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new track, and I'm going to Track New. In this case, I'm going to create a mono aux input. Go Create, and I'm going to label this Delay. And what I'm going to do in the delay is I'm going to insert a plugin. So I'm going to go up to Inserts A through E in this case. I'm going to select Plugin, Delay, and in this case I'm going to select the Medium Delay 2 Mono. And you'll get a dialog box, and this allows you to tweak the parameters for the delay. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to, you can mess with that later on your own. So once we've done that, we're going to assign a bus input for all of these, or assign an insert. So we're going to go up to Sends, in this case, A through E, and I'm going to select bus 1, because I'm going to be routing this to bus 1, you'll see in a minute. And you're also going to get another pop-up fader here, and you want to make sure that this fader is set to 0. That's actually sending the bus signal through, so you're going to have to do that. And next thing you're going to do is go bus 1. You're going to do this for all the other tracks, the guitar, horn, and vocals that we want to bus this to. So bus 1 mono, make sure you set the fader for each of them. Do it again. Bus 1 mono, set the fader. If you don't set the fader, you're not going to hear the bus signal going through. All right, and then the final thing you want to do is for the delay track, we want to set the input to bus 1 mono for the delay track. Now, you're not going to hear this, but when you play the track, you can actually see the delay signal going through, and you can use the fader to adjust the amount of delay that goes through. You can see we got quite a bit here. It's tweaking, peaking a little bit, and this fader will set the amount of delay that's going on to the tracks. So hopefully that helped.